to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna continue the previous topics. Okay. In previous topic, what all we saw about the variables, data types, rules for variables, and also we saw about the operators. Okay. So now in this session, we are gonna continue learning list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay, so now let's begin with list. Okay, so why we are using list? So what is list first? So what is the list? List is used for storing multiple values. Okay, unlike here, we can only create A is equal to 7, B is equal to 4, right? So instead of 7, only 7, we can create more numbers here, 7, 8, 12, like that it goes on. So for that purpose only we are using list here. Okay, list is what? List is ordered. This is very important, and it is mutable. Mutable means changeable. We can change it. Okay, this is not a default, we can change it. Okay, so now let's create how to create a list. So first list equal to, always the list should be with of square brackets. Okay, so this is the square bracket. So I'm creating 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so now if you want to print means you have to just give print, sorry, list, it will be printed. So you can able to see 1 2 3 4. But here in the previous type we saw about variables where we can able to store only one type, one number, right? But for you, if you want to store multiple numbers means we will be using the list. Okay, now next move about next method, list. If I want to add any number means what I have to use? I have to use append. Wait, for adding I'm using list dot append. Okay, append whatever number you want. Here if I want 5 means I'm giving it as 5, and I'm printing the list. Now you can able to see here 5 will be added. Okay, I hope now you understood. So first we saw about how to create a list. Always it should be a square bracket. And next we saw what if you want to add means you have to just give the number in normal brackets of 5. Okay, append and 5. Now next, if you want to extend with, wait, I will be showing. Extend is mainly useful for, this is also for extending. But here only we can use to able to add only one value. So if you want to add multiple value means you will be using extend here. Always the extend should be of double quotes. Sorry. First one is normal quote and the second one should be of square bracket. Okay. So I hope now you understood. For extend use double bracket. Okay. So if you want, I'm adding here. You can store any type of data type. So hi, hello, like this I'm storing here. So list. So what will be the output for me? It will be 1 2 3 4 5. Hi, hello. So I hope now you understood. So I hope now you understand how to create a list. What is the difference between append and extend? Append is used for adding only one number, whereas extend is used for adding two or three. Okay, now next we will be moving about. So if I want to remove 4 means what you will be using, list dot remove 4. Okay, so this is just easy. Just normally we are removing. So by using remove, you can able to see 4 has been removed. But if I want to remove 5 with the index means how index starts from this side, from left side. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Index means this is the position of the values of an element. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here the fifth element position is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So third. So if I want to remove that 5 by index means list dot pop. Pop what value? 0, 1, 2, 5 values index 3. Okay. So if I write like means what you will be getting your output, you will be getting the output as 5. So now you can able to see 5 has been popped. Why to use, what is the difference between remove and pop means here remove only removes the direct actual number. But pop means by index value it will be removing. 4 means normally the 4 has been removed. 3 means in the place of index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 is here. So 5 has been removed. So I hope now you understood the difference between append, extend, pop and remove. Now next, this dot index. You can also able to find the index. Okay. Sorry, 7 is not in the list. Okay. You should not give any numbers which is not in the list you have created. Now you can able to see list of 2 like this you have been created. Index 2 means 3 has been created. I don't know what is the error here. So next we will be moving about list dot clear. Clear means what it will be. The list will be cleared. Delete means 8. If I'm giving it as list or clear 2 means clear takes no argument. Here you should not give any arguments. Okay. So it will be clear. Okay. List delete dot list. Now you can able to see delete list has been later like this you can able to use. Now next let's move about tuple. The second type is tuple. So I hope now you understood what is a list. List for storing the multiple values and it is mutable. Mutable means which can be changed. Also it is ordered. So we saw about how to create a list, append and extend, remove, pop, index, clear like this you can able to do. So what is tuple? Tuple means it is immutable, meaning it cannot be changed unlike list. Okay, so it is immutable, it cannot be changed, but it is ordered. Always tuples begin with normal bracket. So how to create a tuple? There list we created with square bracket. Here you have to use normal bracket. Okay, here I'm creating 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so next I'm giving print t. Now you can able to see the tuple has been created. Now next, if I give t dot, sorry, clear, t has no, so tuple has no attribute clear. Also, if I give t dot append like that means, see what happens here. Again, it's showing no attribute append means since why it is showing here since I have told immutable. Immutable means what? It is changeable. Sorry, it is not changeable. Okay, so it cannot be changed. So it is by default it is an inbuilt. Whereas here we can able to change since because it is mutable we can able to change the number. Here we cannot able to change. Okay, next we will be moving for set. Set means here it is mutable but it is unordered. Okay, now let's see how to create a list. Sorry, set. Set means always you have to create it with the curly braces. Okay, list how you have created square bracket. Next tuple, normal bracket. Set curly braces. So here also I'm creating 1, 2, 3 like this. 8, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, if I want to create this, I'm giving it just as yes. So, tuple has been created. Now, next we will be seeing the modifying of method. So, here, if you give append here means append 7 I'm giving. So, yes means so it will show an error. Since because set has no attribute append. So, in set you have to use add. Add you have to use. Okay, so if you add means you can able to see 7 has been created. Yes dot. Next we are using pop. Pop of 0. Pop of here 5 means now let's see how it has been giving the output. 5 means it also takes no argument. So normally for 5 means here inside the first number will be popped. Okay, here, but here in list we saw about the pop is for index, right? But here pop is mainly useful for removing the first element. Next vice versa, all the elements has been like in order it will be removed. Okay. Now next yes is equal to I'm creating another duplicates. Okay, so 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 4, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7. So what is this triple 4? We are having multiple values, so they are duplicates. So wait, now if I run here means now you can able to see here we got only 1 4, right? So here set cannot handle duplicates. Okay, I hope now you understood. Next we will be seeing about I hope now you understood what is list. List means mutable and it is used. It can be changed. We saw about append, extend, remove, pop, index, clear. Next we create a tuple. Tuple means it is immutable, cannot be changed. So no method can be used here. Next set means here it is unordered. So it is immutable. Sorry, it is mutable and it is unordered. Here means we can able to change, but it is not in the form of order. Okay, it will be collapsed. Okay, so here we cannot use append. Instead append you can able to use add. Also for pop, it will be not popping based upon index randomly from the starting. It will be removing. So next we will be moving about dictionary. Dictionary means it is also mutable but unordered. Okay, now let's see how to create a dictionary. Dictionary also curly braces. Okay, list square bracket, tuple normal bracket, set and dictionary curly braces. Okay, so how to create? Unlike here we have just created with numbers, right? But dictionary is not like that. For instance, if you open a dictionary, what you can able to see the word, the meaning of the word, right? So like this only you will be creating with the two key pair values. Here we will be creating with the key pair values. The values will be of parrot. Okay, so name. I'm giving it as name. Here is two is for pair. Okay, name I'm giving it as Shahi. So after this is one pair. Okay, name Shahi. This is one pair. Next I'm giving it as age is two. Something I'm giving it as 34 like this. Okay, so now next I'm giving the country should be of quotation. Okay, otherwise error will be here. So country, I'm giving it as India. Okay, so I have created a dictionary. So this is how you will be creating a dictionary. Curly braces and you have to create with a key pair value. So I hope now you understood how to create a dictionary. So now let's see if you want to add. Wait, if you want to here instead of wait d dot get. Now you can able to see 0, 1 like this from the index 2 till 0, 1, 2 like this we are getting. So here we will not be taking the values as index. So if I want to update the name as something, so what I have to do, you have to just give name equal to whatever name you want to update. But here in square bracket, so I am updating it as Bono. Now if I run here, you can able to see name is not defined. Why? Because here the quotation is must. Okay, then only it will be defined. Okay, so now you can able to see name has been changed from Shahi to Bono. So I hope now you understood how to update it. Okay, so these are the types how you will be using the creating and modifying the dictionaries. Okay, deleted. The dictionary has been deleted. Okay, so I hope now you understood.